top of the Knight Callahan past Tillman Bridge. The Hoover Dam is down below, but this is about as close as Papa can get. You guys might be able to see it. Papa gotta hug the wall. I guess I can go a few more steps. This is for my audience, not for me. I'm not walking fast for a reason. Wow, we'll be driving across it in just a second from that road down below. The woman was just telling me that you can no longer get out there. To walk on it and work into the works. So we'll just be driving across it and getting the GoPro video in just a minute. Good morning. Sorry, I gotta hug the wall. Woo! I did get out there a little bit. So I didn't totally limp out on that. But I wasn't the bravest of the brave. Oh, selfie opportunities.